Imagine a future where the robot is not just a tool, but an intelligent partner, one entity that can continuous learning and self-evolving. Hi, I'm YC, the CEO and founder of HolonRobotics. We are building the first AI robotic software capable of standalone intelligence and unified knowledge. HolonRobotics is a software company. We preserve industrial knowledge through AI. We preserve manufacturing knowledge through automation by unifying AI, robot, and sensors, making intelligent manufacturing a reality. We have 7 experts across robotics R&D, finance, marketing, and operation, combining technical depth with business execution. After 4 years incubate in Italy, we are officially spin off this year and close 0.5 million angel round. As labor shortage is serious and happen around the world, in manufacturing, company lost up to 10 million revenue when their senior engineer retire or exits. In metal processing, it's much more urgent. The median worker age is 51, the highest among 80 other industries. So, after 30 years automation, what holding it back? 3 reasons. Industrial robot has been limited to mass production, requiring specialized expertise, complex programming, and manual adjustment. First, hard to learn. Manufacturers need to at least 2 years to train a robotics engineer, making skilled labor a major barrier. It's especially difficult because we are facing labor shortage issue. Once they leave, the knowledge goes them. Second, time-consuming. Developing, testing, and validating a robotics automation project takes 3 to 6 months to ensure production feasibility, making the process highly time-consuming. Third, rigid. Even after deploying the robotics automation in production, every changeover needs manual reteaching and adjustment. The knowledge is hard to transfer, making robotics hard to use in today's fast-changing manufacturing need. So, we envision the robots not as a tool, but an intelligent, self-evolving partner. That's why we built an AI-driven operating software with a human-in-the-loop approach. It allows the robot to learn directly from the operators and turn the experience into intelligence. We make robots that don't just do tasks, they understand how to do tasks. To do that, we simplify the process to save 85% of the time. Meanwhile, our solution can continuously learn from the operator's experience. Eventually, will lead to 30% boost in productivity. To achieve these 2 goals, we designed two products for each purpose. We built 2 integrated products, HolonOS and HolonClouds. The idea is like iOS and iCloud work together. HolonOS, control panel, a complete hardware and software solution designed for instant execution and rapid response for robots and sensors. HolonCloud, a cloud-based platform for deep learning and centralized intelligence, enhanced AI-driven for robotics and sensor. HolonOS, an edge AI control panel featured with, first, unified interface. It eliminating the sensor and robot integration time. Supports leading robot brands like FANUC, ABB, Yaskawa, KUKA, and Mitsubishi. It integrates 2D vision, 3D vision, laser line scanning for sensor, active force control, PLC, and I/O modules, all to saving the integration time. Second, CAD-Free Path Generation engine with just 3 simple steps: scan, path generation, and deploy. Simply place the workpiece and the 3D scan automatically sensing its geometry. User can interactively adjust and generate the robot path. Seamlessly deploy in a unified interface, eliminating the needs for CAD model or manual teaching. Last, an edge AI. That's how our HolonOS can learn and improve direct from the first-hand data, based on any operator intervention that make the robot actually learn from the human. HolonCloud, a deep thinking and learning service AI code generation. Generate the robot code from the process idea in minutes, saving programming time. It creates accurate robot program based on process requirements. And it also acts as an AI assistant, answering technical questions instantly. It's embedded with system knowledge, including maintenance manual, operation guides, mechanical and electrical diagram, ensuring precision and efficient support, saving the troubleshooting time. Our go-to-market strategy is simple and clear. We direct bring value to the end user to save time and increase productivity. Collaborate with system integrators to accelerate the deploy and amplify the word to mouth. Once we achieve the product market fit, we will scale through distributors and key suppliers to build a global sales network and scale rapidly. Today, HolonRobotics has delivered 15 successful cases across 9 industries, with $800,000 in revenue, which are medical, cutlery, defense and grinding, one of the largest cutlery, heavy machinery manufacturers, and kitchenware company. Also, we co-marketing with industrial leaders, including FANUC, Mitsubishi, Neurosys, and the NVIDIA in session program. One of our success story is in cutlery industry. Changeover in cutlery manufacturers are a real headache. Parts are never perfect. Usually means tedious manual adjustment because of an avoidable preprocessed workpiece difference. HolonOS, paired with a laser line scanner, it will automatically measure each workpiece geometry and generate exact grinding path to removing the setup time. Now, customer can swap between 50 plus products types on the same line and already process over 300,000 parts with 30% of a productivity increase. Same issue happened in the motorcycle and fitness bike industry. The unavoidable preprocessed workpiece difference, HolonOS, with a laser line scanning, capture each part's dimension and auto-generate precision grinding and polishing path, cutting setup time to minutes. The intuitive parameter interface that can turn complex adjustment into a few clicks, ensuring smooth production and consistent quality. So if you're excited about a future that robots should not just be a tool, it's actually an intelligent partner, we love to connect.